What's up,
Hey,
people?
this is Beauty.
This beast.
Hey, how are y'all doing today? Guess what? I got some great, awesome news. Anyway, so Pink Motivation. Let me get it right, because I only call her Pink for short, but Pink Motivation and Shirley have gotten together and got us some Happy Mail. I'm excited. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Just go on ahead, just gonna snatch it.
Because I'm excited, babe.
I'm excited
sorry.
too.
You don't seem as excited as
I'm
me.
excited.
I'm so excited, y'all. I'm sorry.
I'm gonna show it up like bing, bing.
Oh.
You just
Woo! The address. We can't show the address.
so we about to open it right now. All right, get the honors.
Be careful, because we don't know what's up there that you might be cutting on.
Trust me.
Harriet intense. It's like I'm intense.
Let's see.
Gosh.
Let's see.
Oh my gosh. Hold on, we got a bunch of stuff coming out this bag, y'all. Okay, this is the first thing. Oh my gosh. Look at her journal. She labeled it for us. Look at our channel is right there on it. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. Oh, you know what? You're gonna make me cry. You about to make me cry. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty.
The pineapples.
Yes.
Pineapple.
Yes. Hold on. Guess what I got here? You gotta cut this off. You gotta cut it off. Hold on, cause I'm about to act a fool, y'all. I'm about to act a fool. There go the scissors. There go the scissors. I'm about to act a fool. You gotta take one and not do one. You got to. We about to act a fool, y'all. We about to act a fool. You ready? I'm so excited. We about to do the Pink Motivation. You ready?
Yeah.
Woo!
We got pom-poms.
Pom-poms in the house.
Be like.
He's so stupid. Okay, wait a minute. This one is yours. Where's mine? Because she done got us to look like face masks. And she have them already labeled. Look how she packaged them, you guys. Oh my goodness. Look. One says Beast, one says Beauty. Oh my goodness. Okay, this one's yours.
Oh, thank you. Let's see.
Man, this is lifted up. What you doing?
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. You guys, look. Look, this means the world to us. Look at these. Look at these. Just beautiful. It's our channel. You know what? We're going to wear these all the time. I love them.
Thank you to Shirley.
Thank you, Shirley. Thank you, Pink. We totally appreciate it. How it fit?
I like it.
Oh my God, it fits
I'm gonna wear
good
it to
too.
work.
No, why? Oh well, I guess, but I'm thinking don't mess it up.
To work.
Oh my God, I love it. Look at him. Look at him. Look at me. Oh my goodness. Anyways, I'm going to link Pink's description down below. If you don't know who she is, she's an awesome, incredible woman. Very positive. Her channel says it, Pink Motivation. She motivates you to get up and do and be great and better yourself. You know, so check her out. I'm going to link her description below. And Shirley, oh my God, I'm going to link her description too below. You know, you can get in contact with either one and you guys can get the same great things, but ours was gift to us, so we totally appreciate it. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, you guys. We love you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.